Hello students, my name is Ranjana Srivastav. I am your environmental teacher from Ikra Primary English Medium School branch. Today I am going to start the chapter 15 from the textbook Looking Around of Standard 4, that is from market to home. Children, let's begin the chapter. Children, market is a place where people buy the sells goods day and night. My name is Vaishali. My father is a vegetable seller. My whole family, Amma, Bhaiya, Chotu and I help him with his work. Can you guess at what time we begin our work? At 3 o'clock in the morning, when most people are fast asleep, we start our work. Our day's work begins when Babuji, Amma, Bhaiya and I take out the previous day's vegetables from the gunny bags and baskets. This is to prepare for bringing the fresh vegetables from the mandi. Sometimes Chotu also help us. So students, look at this picture. Vegetable seller is a person who sells vegetables. Here is a picture of a vegetable seller at his shop. Okay, got it? Next, as we finish doing this and are having some tea, we hear the horn of the tempo. It is time for Babuji, Bhaiya, Chachu, uncle and some others from our street to leave for the mandi. Children, mandi is a farmer's market. Vegetables and fruits are sold in large quantities here. In this picture, you can see gunny bags filled with vegetables. Got it? A tempo is a small truck used to carry goods. In this picture, you can see people loading vegetables into a tempo truck. Okay? Now next, does anyone in your house have to get up very early? What time does he or she get up? Why do they need to get up so early? So children, yes, my elder sister get up early at 5 o'clock in the morning to get ready for her college. Her college is far away from home. Okay? Preparing for the day. While Babuji is away, Amma, Chotu and I put the previous day's vegetables on gunny bags and sprinkle some water on them. By 6:30 a.m., Babuji is back from the mandi with baskets and sacks full of fresh vegetables. At the time, our house looks more like a small vegetable market. There are brinjals, potatoes, tomatoes, okra, such as bhindi, pumpkin, gourd, chilies and many other vegetables all around. Everybody helped in sorting the vegetables. The vegetables which are not fully ripe and ready to sell are kept aside. We have to sort the vegetable fast so as to reach the bazaar as early as possible. So children, water is sprinkled on the vegetables to keep them fresh. And bazaar is the local market where vegetables are sold. Okay. Now see at page number 121. By 7 o'clock, Babuji arranges all the vegetables on the handcart and leaves for the bazaar. He says that if he is late, then his regular buyers may buy their vegetables from someone else. As soon as Babuji leaves, I quickly get ready as I have to reach school by 7:30 a.m. In the bazaar, Chotu attends school in the afternoon. He rests for a while and goes to the bazaar later with food or Babuji and Bhaiya. He stays with them at the vegetable cart until it is time for him to go to school. Sometimes he goes back after school to help Babuji. Babuji tries to see that the previous day's vegetables are sold first. Next, Let us talk. Babuji says the previous day's vegetables first. Why do you think he does this? He says the previous day's vegetables first as they might get spoiled. Got it, children? Now next. Have you seen dried or spoiled vegetables? Where? Yes, I have seen dried and spoiled vegetables in the market. Next question. How did you know that the vegetables were spoiled? I know that the vegetables were spoiled because they smelled bad. Look at the clocks given below. Write what you do and what Vaishali does at the time which the clocks are showing. This clock shows 3 o'clock in the morning. How do I know that? Because short hand is point towards 3 and the long hand point towards 12. So this is 3 o'clock. At 3 o'clock, Vaishali wakes up. And Sita is asleep. The next clock shows 6 o'clock in the morning. At 6 o'clock in the morning, Vaishali is working while Sita wakes up at 6 o'clock. The next clock shows 10 o'clock at night. At this time, Vaishali goes to sleep and Sita also goes to sleep. Got it, children? Now, think about the activities that you do and at this time and write them in your notebook. Okay, children? Next question. From where do you get vegetables for your home? Who brings the vegetables? We get vegetables for our home from the vegetable market. Mummy brings the vegetables. Got it, children? Now next, look at page number 124. Find out. Given here is a list of vegetables and fruits. Which of these will spoil earlier and which will stay for some days? Write the name in the correct column. You can add more names in the list. Okay, children? Given here a list of vegetables and fruits. Now let's find out which fruits and vegetables that spoil quickly. So children, spinach, tomato, pear, tomato, cabbage, banana and grapes. So the fruit and vegetables that spoil quickly. The fruits and vegetables have outer skin spoil quickly. Okay. Now from the list, let's find out the fruits and vegetables that can stay for some days. So children, as you can see, onion, potato, chiku, pineapple, gourd, cucumber and ginger. So the fruits and vegetables that stay for some days. Okay. Now next. Which vegetable do you find the heaviest to carry? Write its name and draw its picture in your notebook. So children, I find pumpkin to be heaviest to carry. Okay. So you can draw the picture of pumpkin. Okay. Now next. Which is the lightest fruit or vegetable that you have eaten? Grapes is the lightest fruit or vegetable that he has eaten. And write them in your notebook. Okay. Write name of 3 vegetables which do not have seeds. So children, potato, cabbage and cauliflower are some of the vegetables that do not have seeds. Okay. Fill in the table given below. You can add 3 more names and fill in the table. In this table, we have apple, banana and potato. Now, we need to write down the color and length, weight and the price according to the weight. Here is a picture of an apple. The color of an apple is red and the length of an apple would be 5 cm and 1 kilogram will cost of rupees 100. Next, banana are yellow in color and on average they would be 12 cm in length. So we write color yellow, length 12 cm and a dozen banana will cost of rupees 25. A dozen is equal 12 bananas. Next, potatoes are light brown in color and they would be 5 cm length on average. So we write color light brown, length 5 cm and 1 kilogram of potatoes will cost of red 20. Okay? Got it, children? So here with this we come to the end of this lesson. I hope this video is useful and understanding for you all. Okay? Thank you very much.